The man casually tossed a cigarette butt, but unexpectedly, the lawn on the ground seemed to dodge it as if it were alive. This bizarre scene left the man utterly shocked, so he immediately ran over to investigate. Jack discovered something was wrong with the soil on the ground, so he hurriedly dug at the surface with a hoe. To his horror, Jack discovered that what he dug up was a piece of modeling clay. This instantly made him realize something was terribly wrong. Jack quickly called his wife to dig together because he wanted to figure out what was hidden underground. But even after digging for 24 hours, the two found no clues. Just as they were about to give up, a strange sound suddenly came from the sky. So Jack climbed onto the roof to check the situation, but what he saw were countless identical houses. This gradually plunged Jack into despair. He had no idea where he was now. It turned out that just a few days earlier, Jack and his wife had bought their first house. Although the house was in the suburbs, it only cost $10,000 total, and it was a detached mansion at that. The couple arrived at this neighborhood full of anticipation, but they quickly discovered the entire community was completely deserted, and all the villas looked exactly the same. Soon, the two were led by the real estate agent to Villa Number 9. The agent said all the furniture was included for free, and there would never be any property management fees. The couple was very satisfied upon hearing this and happily began touring the yard. But just when the woman wanted to ask the agent more questions, they discovered that both the agent and his car had vanished. Jack instantly realized something was wrong. He hurriedly prepared to leave this place with his wife, but after driving for an hour, his wife couldn't find the exit. Jack naively thought his wife just didn't know the way, so he took over driving. But at this point, his wife discovered that neither of their phones had any signal. With no other choice, Jack could only continue driving to look for the exit. But even after Jack drove until dark, the two still hadn't left the neighborhood. What was even more eerie was that when the car ran out of fuel, they had stopped exactly at Villa Number Devotee.